Ooh. But it was time for a new look. It's also time for a new look in the front end because Prismbeam was kind enough to send me a set of their headlights for the 10th Gen Civic. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into it. We got to take this bumper off again. This is going to be a much different look. Much different. Let me take it out of the plastic so you guys can see it. I am going to leave the film on the headlight though. I'm going to leave that on there for now. Ooh. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know what you think about these. Not even on the car.
I wanted to try and test these lights out before I ever took the bumper off, but unfortunately, the wiring harnesses aren't long enough, so off the bumper goes.
Let's do another time test and see how long it takes me to take this bumper off, and hope I don't get interrupted. Before I start the time test, let me show you everything I have to do first. I gotta take all these clips out. Gotta remove a couple of screws from here for the fender liner. A ton of clips underneath, which I'm going to have to jack it up because it's lowered and I'm not going to be able to get to it. And then there are some clips attached to the headlight there that we just have to pop it out and it should come off. Let's see how long it takes. So that took way longer than it should have. It should be 10 minutes shorter. I should have made sure I had all the tools before I ever started. I was missing an Allen wrench. This guy right here, the 7/32, I believe. Yep, the 7/32 Allen wrench. Missed that. So you also need a flathead screwdriver or a panel tool, a Phillips. You'll need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. All right, now it's on to removing the headlights, which that's pretty easy. Now what I'm not doing is I'm not removing these. So I'm gonna have to lift this up because we got a 10mm here and another one right there, because this is a pain to take off. I'm not doing it, I'm sorry. We have another one right here. Another one way back there. So you're gonna need a very long extension or you're gonna have to double up on extensions. And then that should be it. Yeah, those two, that one, this one. Oh, there is another one. Where is it? There's oh, right here. I'm blind. So right there. So there's 5 per headlight. Let's take them out. I want to make sure these things work before I take the brackets and everything off of the other headlights and put them on these. I'm going to throw these in. We're going to test them out, see if they work. All right, I just have them in there just to make sure they fit. They are plugged in, and without the bumper on, I think they look pretty incredible, to be honest. I like the design of them. Now that I took the plastic off, you can actually see it looks like they're like diamond shaped, 3 of them in there, and how they're angled, and then you have your beam there, your daytime running light right there. I think they look incredible. I just hope they're bright. I just hope they're bright. So I have everything plugged in. They did give us a wire to run from headlight to headlight. That is plugged in, and it also needed grounded. So I just used this bolt here. Now, again, they're just sitting in there. I still have to put this lower bracket on from the other headlight, which I'm going to do inside in the AC because it is starting to get extremely hot out here. So let's test them out and see if they work. Let's turn the headlight on. let's turn the four ways on. Looks great. All right, so what we need to do is I need to remove these two clips right here. It's a Phillips screwdriver, 2 Phillips screws. And at the bottom of the bracket, there's 2 10 mils, one here and one here. We need to remove those. All right, this one's ready to go in the car. I have the other one to do yet. I'll see you back at the car. And I am done. Well, not quite yet. I have one more thing I need to do. I need to make sure the headlights are aimed properly. So what I need to do is I need to put this door down. I am already 25 feet away from the door, and I need to see where they're aimed. I need to make sure they're at the right height and that they're both at the same height. It actually doesn't look that bad. The left one could probably come over, and that right one, well, no. The left one should probably come down too. I am dead center of the H, and I am dead center between these. So it seems like they're aimed pretty good. What's the height of it though? I think they came to aimed pretty good. Sitting at 2 feet, the car's 2 feet. That's pretty good. If I aim them lower, I probably won't be able to see too much, so I'm going to leave them there. Let's see if I get flash going down the road. We'll see. But we're going to take it out at night, and we're going to see what it actually looks like going down the road. I think it's going to look good. I'll tell you what, man. I like the way, I like the look. I really like the look. I like it a lot. I hope you guys do too. If you do, you know what to do. Links down in the description for the headlights and the taillights. Don't forget about the taillights. Link down in the description for both of them. Let's check it out at night. I cannot wait to see it out in the dark.
I can already tell I need to lift the left one up a little bit. All in all, they're bright. I really like them. The turn signals are bright, even during the day. See how you can see how the left one's a little bit lower. High beams. The high beams are really bright too, as you can see right there. Very bright lights. As you saw, I gave you a little tease earlier. They move. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Links in the description for both the headlights and the taillights. I'll see you in the next one.